So the service that I'm going to be using throughout this course is called Coin Layer, which is a great service that allows you to make requests and get data, get rates about pretty much every major cryptocurrency and currency in the world. So this service, I think it's great, and I'm going to be using this service throughout this course. So in order to use this service, you need to head on over to this website, coinlayer.com. It's again coinlayer.com, and then you need to create an account. Click on pricing, or here sign up, and then here it shows you the plans that you have. If you want to use this for just for testing, you need to select the free plan. If you want to use this for a commercial application, then you would have to use one of these plans according to your needs. So for the sake of testing, you need to select the free plan. And then you need to register, and it's very simple. All you need to do is to sign up, and then you will be able to access your account. Once you have signed up, just click on dashboard, and then here it's going to show you your API key. And this API key is very important because this API key will allow you to make requests and get rates from this website. If you click on documentation, you will see here the documentation where it shows you how you can make requests. It's a little complicated, but I'm gonna make this process very simple for you, and I'm gonna be showing you how to make requests easily without the need of reading all of these paragraphs and data. It's too long, and it's gonna take a lot of time from you to go through all of these things. So I'm gonna just simplify everything for you, and you will be able to make requests quickly and easily.